What if you could give your child the gift of 2 languages? What if you could build their confidence, their independence, and their love for learning, all while they play? That was the dream. My name is Alicia, and as a Montessori teacher from Jamaica living in Colombia, I saw a need for something more, something authentic. So I created Adali Learning, a bilingual Spanish-English workbook designed not just to teach, but to inspire. The response was beyond anything I imagined. Families everywhere connected with its mission, and it quickly became an Amazon bestseller. But this success was about to take on a whole new meaning. Then, Hurricane Melissa struck Jamaica. As a Jamaican mother, my heart broke. Seeing the devastation in my homeland, I knew I had to help. This wasn't just about selling books anymore. It was about making a real difference. That's why I'm launching this campaign. For every single copy of the Adali Learning Workbook sold, we will donate $3 directly to the Hurricane Melissa Relief Fund. This is your chance to do 2 incredible things at once. You can give your child the foundational skills for a brighter future and provide crucial support to families who have lost everything. You are not just buying a book. You are becoming part of a mission of heart and hope. This special donation drive is for a limited time. Click the link in the description below to get your best-selling workbook and make your double impact today. Thank you for your support and for helping us turn learning into hope.